All right, so on question 7 here, initially we want to try to do the same thing. It says find the velocity of the waves. So the only thing we know about waves and velocity right now is that it's frequency multiplied by lambda for wavelength. Lambda is given to us, but we don't have the frequency this time. So we have to jump back to what we did very early on this problem set, and we want to find the frequency. So frequency can be found by taking a number of events divided by the total time. However, we have something here that's not very nice. This time is measured in minutes, and you can see here we've got per seconds, and the frequency is usually measured in hertz. So we need to do a little bit of work here. Minutes on the bottom, seconds on top. One of these is 60 of those, and so we get a time of 151.8 seconds. With that, we can now plug everything back in and start getting some answers. So my frequency, 259 waves over the course of 151.8 seconds. Then remember seconds on the bottom, that's going to tell us that we've got hertz. Then dividing these actual numbers, 1.70619, so on, hertz. And then bringing that back over, we can now answer the question. So our frequency, 1.70619, and so on hertz. So presumably you're not typing that back in the calculator. It should still be on your calculator screen from here. And then multiplying by the lambda given in the question of 1.33 meters. Meters times hertz. Again, we can flip this back if we want to, sort of like what we had here before we changed it, say 1 over seconds, which means that's going to combine with meters, give us meters per second. And then finally multiplying those things together, roughly 2.27.